It's Friday Fly Day. We had 3 solidish days of rain last week, and before we bought this house I did a sneaky roof inspection, and I think it's a really good use case for private drones is just around and about your own home. Nothing too spectacular. Of course I should have acted on that roof inspection. It leaked. So that was the rain, that was me on the roof for the weekend, that was my weekend gone. What else have I been doing, and what's on the playlist for this week, or the build table, or the virtual build table if you will? Well, remember I had a go at building a tail sitter, that one, and it didn't fly very well, so I thought redesign it. If you've been watching drone stuff this week, you'll have seen, that's at 2100 GMT every Tuesday, you'll have seen this hiding in the background. That's version 2. And I haven't played around too much with that, and the reason is quite simple. Some very nice people from Conquest Ventures got in touch with me, and they've let me have a trial version of the UAV Design Explorer, which means that I can sketch out my design in this and then see how it flies. So let's see how it flies, and let's see how I can change the design and so on and so forth. See, I can't talk and fly at the same time. This one's got issues with roll already. So exciting times. Let's see what the virtual world can do for us in the VTOL scene.